In every industrial plant, conveyors are most important. They face harsh conditions every single day. Bird poop, wind, rain, dust and corrosion can damage the system, in result cause slow production and increase maintenance costs. An unprotected conveyor is a risk to efficiency, safety and profitability. That's why we offer anti-corrosive FRP conveyor hoods, a durable, long-lasting solution designed to shield your material and extend the life of your conveyor. Protect your material from impurities. To enhance workplace safety, we also provide FRP Safety Guards that protect workers from inherent incidents. When combined, our FRP conveyor hoods and safety guards create a robust protection system that improves safety, reduces downtime, and keeps your plant running smoothly. Our FRP products are trusted by leading companies like Yara, RCF, Chambal, JK Paper, Deepak Mining, and many more. Contact us today to learn more or request a personalized quote for your project.